Hi, I'm Beth Fresky, a relaxation and life coach with A Time for Expression LLC in the Twin Cities. Today, I'm going to take you through a classic guided imagery technique called Safe Place. And during the exercise, you're going to imagine going to a place where you feel safe and comfortable and carefree. And it's a place where you can create in your imagination and go there anytime that you're feeling stressed or overloaded or just want to think about some positive things. Before we do that, it's good to just shake out any frustration and tension. So if you'll just go ahead and just shake out, take some deep breaths, let them out. Shake your body. It's good to get the yuck out first and then let the positivity come in. So when you're feeling more settled, I'd like you to sit or lie back in a comfortable position. And for this exercise, it's important to close your eyes so you can let your imagination just soar and you'll be able to picture things and sense things better. So I invite you to close your eyes. Get into a comfortable position and imagine yourself in a place where you feel completely safe and happy and carefree. Use all of your senses to notice the details of this place. What do you see there? Are there any sounds you can hear? Are you indoors or outdoors? Feel the air on your skin. If you're touching anything, notice how it feels. Maybe there's something there that you even want to taste. Spend a little more time imagining this place, filling in the different details in your mind. If you can't get a clear picture, that's okay. Just sense how it is for you. And as you relax into this place, you can take some time imagining yourself doing and saying and being the way you wish to be. Imagine yourself being just the way you want to be in life. Enjoy that feeling. And now that you're looking and behaving exactly the way you want to be in life, think of something that you would really like to do and imagine yourself doing it right now. Feel a surge of confidence as you can imagine yourself doing that thing that you really want to do. Imagine it now. And as you're imagining yourself doing it, this feeling of well-being washes over you. Feeling of well-being and pure contentment. Enjoy that feeling of being on top of everything in your life. Feeling that confidence and that sense of accomplishment. And now I'd just like you to go back to your safe place and then just enjoy that feeling of resting there. Breathe in. Breathe out. Know that you can go to this place whenever you're feeling stressed or overloaded. It's there for you anytime you wish. Spend a few more moments just resting here. Maybe you're going to daydream for a while. Just enjoy this peaceful time to yourself in this wonderful place. And now you're feeling ready to leave this place for now. So take your time, bringing your awareness back to your surroundings, back to your place in this room. And how was that, taking that time in that safe place? I hope you can go there whenever you need to. And I want to thank you for taking this time for yourself. It's so important to take these breaks to recharge. And I hope this week you remember to breathe and stretch and do those things that you enjoy. Thank you.